Hello everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's currently 8 a.m. and I'm as shocked as you are that I'm up right now. Weirdly not that tired. In fact, when I woke up this morning, I kind of just popped out of bed. It definitely has to do with the fact that I took melatonin last night and I went to bed at 12:30 instead of like 2:30. Usually when I do that, it's still like, I still feel groggy, so shocked I'm here. Today I'm going to be vlogging. I actually was going to combine it with yesterday's vlog that I kind of half very partially made, but looking at the footage it wasn't solid enough. Basically yesterday I just cleaned up my room and cleaned my shoes. Oh, there's my neighbor, of course. Love that for me. Okay, hold on. Hi. This always happens whenever I film in my neighborhood. Someone always walks out when I'm doing an intro to a video. But basically this video is just going to be me decluttering, organizing my room, having a super productive day, which starts with getting up early. I have a lot of decluttering and selling / donating of stuff to do. Basically this is like my prepping for my prep to go back to school. Today's Wednesday and I go back to school on Monday. So that's coming up very quickly, less than a week away, and I'm unprepared. My room's a wreck and I just have a ton of stuff to get rid of. This morning I am going to Target, honestly, to return something, but mostly to just peruse. I have some things I need to buy. Hopefully I'll find them at Target. If not, I have some returns for Marshalls and TJ Maxx as well, so I think this goes without saying, but I will say it because it seems that some of us cannot understand. Wear a freaking mask if you're going out to a store or any public place like that. Be smart, wash your hands, have some hand sanitizer. Also, I am obsessed with these Premier protein shakes. I got these because on TikTok they get 2 shots of espresso over ice at Starbucks and then they put this in it. They actually put the salted caramel flavor, but I don't like caramel, so I thought I'd try it with this. So far I have not actually tried that, but I really like the protein shakes. These I think are going to be a great option for me this semester if I need to like grab and go. Well, not even like I'm going really between classes, but or if I work out, big if, but if I work out, I can have these after and not have to like make a protein shake. If you're new, subscribe down below. I make new videos every Sunday. I believe this one's going up on a Sunday. Unclear about my uploading schedule right now and like what video is going when, but I have this video. I have a prep and pack with me for back to school. I have a move-in vlog coming. Let's go to Target. I'm so excited. Everyone's lining up to see. Hello everyone, I am back from Target. I was gonna go straight to Marshalls and TJ Maxx to make my returns. However, right now it's like 9:40 on the dot and they don't open both until 10, so that's great. I didn't want to waste my time and sit in the parking lot for 20 minutes, and also Ashley and I were supposed to meet up anyways and go to either TJ Maxx or HomeGoods. We weren't sure which one we wanted to go to. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys what I got from Target because it's really not much and I found little to nothing there. Something I absolutely did not need, but at the very same time absolutely did need, is this dress. I'm not gonna put it on because I just don't want to. It looks like this. I feel like you could totally get this off Revolve. It definitely looks like a Love Shack fancy situation, like low-key, right? It was $25. Also, I also got some of my favorite pens. These are the Pilot V5 Precise V5. I don't know, they are honestly the best. I get the best handwriting from those and I just need a couple more for back to school. And then the last thing I bought was a bed skirt, which I was debating on buying just because, I don't know, I was gonna see if there was a better deal, but this was $20. You don't have to lift up your mattress for it, so that's really nice. You just like tuck it in, I guess. I don't know. It's a 15-inch drop length, which I hope is enough because I feel like that's normal. We're all raising our beds like 6 or 7 inches, so I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm gonna research and kind of like get into the room, put the risers on, and then evaluate from there. Definitely did not purchase too much from Target, unfortunately, or fortunately, but unfortunately because I still have stuff to buy and I still spent money there. So while I'm in limbo for like 30 minutes, I'm just gonna vacuum my room and probably watch a couple YouTube videos, honestly. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's I just vacuumed. It just looks so much better in here. I obviously still have stuff everywhere. This is what I'm wearing. I just changed my top for something a little bit more breathable. This one is a distressed, slightly like marbled bleach dyed. It's from Forever 21. My shorts are from Target. They are just so comfy. They're from Wild Fable. And I got them a size up because I wanted them to be really loose, but they're definitely already really loose, so you probably don't need to size up. And then I'm wearing my shoes from Vintage Havana. I got them from Nordstrom Rack. And yeah, that's all. Let's go shopping. There must be something that features. Hello. I am back after my shopping adventure. Just kidding. It was not that crazy, but I picked up 2 things, both of which I was not planning to get, but both things I needed. The first of which I got at Home Goods. I got this planner. I've been reaching for my old day designer lately just to vary a little bit like how I'm making my to-do list, and this one was $13, which I honestly don't like to pay more than that really for planners. I liked the different sections in here. It has like your to-dos for the month, your goals. I went to Marshall's and I wasn't expecting to get anything there. Famous last words. I've been looking everywhere for a curling iron, 1 1/4 inch or 1 1/2 inch, but 1 1/4 was kind of what I was looking for. So I found this one, which is from Hot Tools, which is a great brand. The look of it is not at all what I would have chosen. Definitely a touch juvenile, but it was $20, and usually the cheapest that I've ever seen those are $35 anywhere else, so I really couldn't pass it up, and I have been looking for one for a long time. I really wanted to get into doing like loose curls and whatever. I think that was thunder. Anyways, I am going to go inside before it starts storming because I did see it lightning on the way back from those places. So I'm gonna run inside, hopefully don't get stormed on, and then we'll get to organizing and cleaning. Yes. This is the to-do list situation for today. As you can see, I already done a couple. I've been doing this lately where I prioritize everything on the right, and then on the left I get more detailed and put everything in order of what I want to do. I just find that it keeps me on track throughout the day. I can group like tasks, so like these 4 things right here I can all do while watching YouTube or Netflix. It is nearly 30 minutes later and I just finished organizing everything into folders. Basically, I feel a lot of pressure whenever I like have to print pictures because I feel like I need to see every single picture and then pick the pictures and then, you know, have your selection. And I also had to make a list, as I showed you guys, of all the different pictures that I'm going to have to print in general. The company that I'm going to collaborate with on my move-in vlog, I'm printing 8 5x7s from them and then 1 4x4, and I'm putting that 4x4 on my computer, so it has to be something that is 1, cute, but 2, appropriate. We have a huge cork board that's built into our room, so fun pictures for that, like any cute pictures. Who cares? Who cares? Of course I care. I'm going to go ahead and order these, and then God, I'm tired. Then I'm going to lace up my shoes and put them away because that's like something simple I can get done. And then I'll finally get to organizing my room, which is what this whole video is all about. Okay, so actually, I was gonna magic eraser my chair like I said, but I don't even think we have a magic eraser. So also I was going to lace up my shoes like I said, but they're still wet even though I washed them all the way yesterday. So those are 2 things that I can't do. I might get something to eat because I haven't had a meal in a hot minute. And then I'm probably gonna film my try on haul clips, like the try on portion, which the shirt's actually included. I really like it a lot. It's from Forever 21. And then finally, I'll do the thing that I've been putting off, organizing my room. I'm going to curl my hair a little bit. I want to try out doing some loose waves, but I want to try out my new curling iron. Hopefully it looks cute. We'll see. Very unclear about how I feel about the curling iron. I think it's 100% user error because I don't know how to use it. I haven't used a curling iron since forever, but I definitely got a lot of variance in what the curls look like. I like this side. This side just looks a little botched. It's like half curled, half not, but definitely going for the beachier look, I guess. I'm going to put concealer on my chin because I have some acne situation going on there, and that's really all you see when I do try-ons. It's like from here down, you know what I mean? I'm going to conceal that, and I'm going to make my bed, and then we'll get trying on. Whenever I do a try on, I always have to make sure the background looks good. Honestly, it's all visuals. The other side of my room about to be really messy. I like this over here, but I don't like this. But also we could be better lighting. What I'll do is I have this cart here now, which is really helpful. I'll figure out like what requires a full body shot, like just something like a dress, whereas obviously tops just require from here up, so that I'm filming them all in the same position. Honestly, just more for convenience. I mean, yeah, it is nice that it's like seamless throughout, but I like it just because I only have to change the camera angles, and I'm also like changing one piece of clothing the whole time. I'm gonna be excited to put these all back in my closet because they haven't even been put away yet. The bottom is gonna be dresses, the top is going to be tops, and the middle is going to be pants. I would pan the camera down, but I really like this angle that it's at, so I'm just gonna show you guys. It looks like that. This is honestly really convenient, so if you're a YouTuber, I would definitely recommend buying one of these carts. This was 30 bucks, but pop on some try-on clips for a preview for this video, which is coming out after this one, so if you guys are watching this and that video is out, go watch.
If it doesn't, I'm going to find it. Also, oh my gosh, I have a question for you. This is what I thought I was going to do, but now I'm like, is this too many? And I just don't know what I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's what I tried to do.
9.
I took a nap like probably an hour or so ago, and I'm probably not going to do much else tonight besides like some computer work, and I have some catching up to do on emails and stuff like that, but nothing exciting. So I figured I would just carry this into tomorrow when I do all the organization and decluttering of my room. So good night, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Laced up all of my shoes, which took an obnoxiously long time, but these ones, I almost want to bleach these or something. I don't know how I would do that, or like do a bleach solution. Here, you guys can see better in the light. They're still just like so dirty at the top, and these all look like pretty clean, I would say. I mean, these are still like a little dirty, but like they're just gonna get dirtier. I'm gonna deal with these later. Just watching Taylor King. I've been obsessed with her from the start. She just kind of blew up on YouTube, but I've been watching her videos for a long time. I really like her. She seems very genuine. I put all my to-dos for today in my new planner. I kind of just hate the way that this looks, but it is what it is. The little highlights are all like the important things that I absolutely need to get done. The next thing I'm going to do is pop my bedding in the wash because I had the windows down when I drove to Dunkin', so my hair is just on fire, and also I popped a pimple. I should conceal that. Anyways, this is real. This is me. So I'm thinking, here's a thought, which would actually not cost any money. Seeing girls at like the big southern schools do like queen or full-size bedding on a twin bed, so then it looks super full, or it's like super long so it covers things. So I was thinking, what if I used my coverlet here and then I layered at the end of the bed my actual comforter, which is what I did last year, but I did it on a queen bed. So I'm thinking on a twin bed. I don't have a twin bed to try this out on, but basically the problem is, which I talked about yesterday, is I don't think the bed skirt's gonna fit. Well, it'll fit. It just, I don't think it'll cover everything. And since my bed's up against a wall, I can really just kind of like drape it down and then have it covered. That's a horrible representation, but you guys get the idea. Like, I'll insert a couple pictures and then I could return the bed skirt. So all in all, sounds like a great idea. Okay, people, this is what we're doing with the organizing. This is by far the biggest task I've got to get done, and I've got to get it done quick, to be honest. Who woke up late today? Not I. Let's just rewind to the clip where I woke up super early in this video. Now I'm back to my normal self. Anyways, my biggest thing is going through my clothes, which I've already mostly done, but I want to make sure I go through everything again before I deal with these 2 bins of just like stuff. It's so much stuff. And then anything that I'm going to donate, I'm going to take it today, get it out of the house, get it done, because otherwise I'm going to procrastinate. It's never going to happen. I also want to go through all my drawers and just like this pile of crap that I need to deal with. I need to kind of sort out what's going back to school and what's not, and what is. Gonna pop it in the loft, get it out of my room. Then whenever I do pack, which is probably gonna be Saturday, honestly, I'm doing a vlog for that too. So definitely subscribe if you're new, if you're still watching. Yeah, by the way, my last video, which was 18 minutes long, was was about college clothes. Literally like 30% of people watch the entire video. It's less about, for me, like how many people view my videos and more like how many people like are actually like engaging with my content and care. And like seeing that like over 200 people chose to watch the entire video just like means so much to me. So thank you if you did watch it all the way through or watch any of my videos all the way through. That means so much to me. Anyways, sappy moment over. Let's get organizing. The closet was an epic fail / win, I guess, because I didn't take too much time. Oh, I didn't get rid of anything because I forgot that I completely went through my closet like a couple weeks ago, but I definitely still need to go through like my dresser and stuff, figure out stuff in there. So this part I feel like will be a little bit more interesting, hopefully. Right now, I just took a bunch of pictures of the stuff I want to list, so drop all these pics to myself. What I'm going to do is just put them all in a Facebook post, post it on our local Facebook group. So I think I'm going to do probably my desk first and then my nightstand, which is just a hot mess. I have a ton of stuff on my desk. In fact, these can just sit down there. This is all extra from my desk from last year, but I also need to organize this in here anyways, and all the stuff in here is kind of old mostly, so I need to go through that stuff, just kind of figure this out so that I am ready to pack my desk stuff for back to school. It got super dark outside. It's currently like pouring, but I found all of these pictures. I got this all consolidated, so now all of my past coursework is in this folder, all the important stuff, and then all these are empty. This doesn't look very neat, but I'm going to figure out which pens I want to take with me and then go from there, so that's just going to sit there. This stuff is just mostly normal. I have receipts here. I didn't have all this stuff in here before, and I'm taking most of it with me back to school. Looks fine enough, and then all this stuff is going elsewhere in our house. I feel like you guys can't even tell, but it is absolutely pouring outside. I was going to go drop off the donations at Goodwill, but obviously since it's pouring, I really don't want to like lug all this stuff in the car, so I'm just gonna clean out my nightstand right now. I'm just feeling very stressed right now. I don't know what it is, honestly, which kind of stresses me out more, but I think it's a mix of like the impending packing for back to school. Like it's a little too soon for me to like fully start, but also like I know I need to start. I just have a lot of like personal things that I need to do before I go back to school, and I'm just concerned that I can't fit them all in before I go, and that's really stressing me out. Also, whenever I vlog, I never talk about this, whenever I vlog I get so stressed out about like getting all the right clips and like, you know, making sure that it looks good. I don't know, I just like, I hate half-assing things. Always in the back of my mind I'm always thinking about like, is this shot good enough? Like, am I getting enough? Like, is this enough? And it kind of sometimes takes the fun out of vlogging for me. So fun fact about me. Haha. You guys can probably hear it, but I just popped my laundry in the dryer and I'm gonna keep drinking this, and I'm watching Brooke Michio right now. She's my favorite, and she just posted a 30-minute video, so I'm gonna watch that while I declutter my nightstand. I posted in the Facebook group the clothes and stuff, and it's getting quite a bit of traction. Right now I'm about to head to Goodwill because they close at 6 and it's currently 5, so I'm gonna make sure I get that done. Oh my gosh, especially since like everyone, oh my gosh, someone else just commented. Some people are on vacation and stuff, so they're like, can we pick up Friday? Can we pick up Saturday? Can we pick up Sunday? And I'm like, I'm literally making a note card of everyone that like has to pick up and all that, but it's all good. Oh my gosh, the amount of stress that this Facebook posting has given me in the past like 30 minutes is out of this world. People are messaging me, but then they're not posting on the Facebook page, so people don't know that an item's taken, and like there's certain rules and everything. People are crazy. crazy around here, I swear. All right, guys, I just got home from dropping off the stuff at Goodwill. I was gonna get a clip, but the guy was very rushed, so I did not. On the drive back, I was thinking that this is probably the end of solid content for the day, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you do like longer vlogs or vlogs where I do like organization productive things, definitely leave me a comment down below. And if you're new, definitely subscribe. I make new videos every Sunday. This one is going up on a Sunday, but I have another video coming at y'all Wednesday. That's a back to school haul. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.